हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर हम लोग देखे थे कि एग्जाम पैटर्न म्यूलसॉफ्ट का क्या होता है। सेल्फ फोर सर्टिफाइड डेवलपर म्यूलसॉफ्ट वन का एग्जाम पैटर्न क्या होता है, कैसे किस तरह का क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, एवरीथिंग वी हैव सीन हम लोग इन डिटेल। ओके, अब हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं इंस्टॉलेशन पर, क्योंकि हम लोग आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं तो वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद द इंस्टॉलेशन। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग तीन चीज इंस्टॉल करने वाले हैं। इफ इन फ्यूचर हम लोग फ्यू मोर थिंग इंस्टॉल करने वाले हैं, बट फॉर नाउ वी रिक्वायर्ड ओनली थ्री थिंग्स, सो हम लोग तीन करने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट, एनी पॉइंट स्टूडियो इंस्टॉल करने वाले हैं, जहां पर हम लोग कोड वगैरह जो है कुछ भी कनेक्टर्स वगैरह कनेक्ट करेंगे, वो बाद में देखेंगे। सेकंड चीज है, कोई भी एक आप वेब सर्विस, अगर आपके पास कोई वेब सर्विस टेस्टिंग टूल है लाइक दैट पोस्टमैन, एडवांस रेस्ट क्लाइंट, कोई भी एक वेब सर्विस आपके पास टूल है, देन आप रख सकते हैं। अगर नहीं है तो हम लोग कोई एक वेब सर्विस टूल डाउनलोड करने वाले हैं। लेट्स से पोस्टमैन हम लोग डाउनलोड करने वाले हैं। ओके, तीसरा हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, एनी पॉइंट प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाकर रजिस्टर करने वाले हैं। एनी पॉइंट प्लेटफॉर्म क्या है? एनी पॉइंट प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पर हम लोग कोई भी ऑथेंटिकेशन देना है, कोई भी रन टाइम मैनेजर होता है, कोई भी एपीआई डिजाइन करना है, दिस ऑल थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद ऑन एनी पॉइंट प्लेटफॉर्म। तो दिस थ्री स्टेप going to we are do in the upcoming classes. In this lecture, let's start with the installation of AnyPoint Studio. So to install the AnyPoint Studio, go to the Google. In Google Chrome, write the as the download AnyPoint Studio. Okay, okay. Once you download the just click on the link. I will give the link to you in the link description. Okay, this is the link. Here you have to give the few thing to download, that like that what should be your product, and what should be your product version, and what is your name, email id, company, and some few detail, basic detail you have to give before installation. Okay, so I am going to write these details and to download the installation. Let's me pause the video and fill the information. Okay, now I have written the information here. You can see I there are few more product like that: AnyPoint Code Builder, AnyPoint Studio Mule, and Mule Studio. I am going to deal with the AnyPoint Studio, so I have written the AnyPoint Studio. Okay, and Mule. After that, let's choose the which type version, latest version or previous version. So I want to install the latest version, which is the Mule 4. Okay, now which type of environment you want? I want the Windows, because I'm working on the Windows, so Windows should be window. Give your name as a name, my name as a issue, and last name is Tiwari. Give the email id where we want to get a link for the installation. You can see it is written, we will send a download link to providers. Just this will write your email id so that you can get the link for of the installation. Okay, after that, write any company name. Like I have written as a simple ABC Private Limited. Okay, right. What is your role? You can write developer. Any mobile number you can write here. No need to give your number. Okay, I have written the random number. In here you have to give the other, like that which any type of company you can write, but I just written the other. Company size you can write like that 1 to 20 like that, and the country is India. Just any basic information, just fill it and click on. Okay, click here. Once you click here, you will get a mail to over the mail downloading link. You can see I just got a mail, and this mail is written like that, thank you for choosing the AnyPoint. You can download the link, and this link I think it is valid for 24 hour. This link is valid for 24 hour, and just go to the download page. You just click on that, and here it will bring like that, and just click on download. If you click on download, it will come like that, where we want to install this, and just click on save. You can see now the file has started downloading, and it is around 2.1 GB file. Okay, but I have already a file in my local, so I'm not going to download. I was just supposed to say show how basically you can download. So I'm just pausing this, and let me go to the file where I have kept. This is the file where I have kept. Okay, that I have after downloading. This is the file. You can see the same file, it is there. This is the same file, AnyPoint Studio, this zip. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to now unzip this file. To unzip, just right click here and extract all. One point here you have to keep in mind. You can see under this file, if you go there, there is a, let me go inside this file. It will take time. Under this there is a AnyPoint Studio. Under that, these are the file present. So we have to keep this as a base. AnyPoint Studio, basically MuleSoft recommended to download दिस फाइल इनटू ए बेस लोकेशन. हम लोग को हमको जो है ये फाइल जो है बेस लोकेशन डाउनलोड करना होगा. मतलब कि ये अगर मेरा डी ड्राइव है तो डी ड्राइव के अंदर में डाउनलोड करना है. अगर आप मानते हैं डी ड्राइव अंडर माई नेम, अंडर फोल्डर, अंडर माई फोल्डर, अंडर न्यू, इसके अंदर में जाकर डाउनलोड करिएगा तो ड्यूरिंग इंस्टॉलेशन इट विल क्रिएट ए प्रॉब्लम. आई हैव ऑब्जर्व दिस थिंग. So I will, this is the personally I will recommend you to download this into a base folder. So what you have to do, just right click here, because when I was installing to a lots of under folder inside that, it was creating a problem while installation. That's the reason I already telling you in advance. So what you have to do, just extract all and remove this one and keep this only base while just only D drive, keep it. Okay, just click on extract. Okay, now this is the lots of file is there, so it will take some time to extract. So you can see here, if you see there is a file will be came as a AnyPoint Studio, and it will, you can see the file has came as AnyPoint Studio. Under that it is extracting the information. Okay, so let's pause the video till the time it is extracting all, because I think it will take a time to complete the 100% during the extraction, and after that I will come back to it. Okay, so let me pause it. Now it is almost extracted. It is 99%. Now you can see it is extracted. Okay, so if you go inside that your drive, D drive, you will get as a one file as a AnyPoint Studio. Let me go to that file. You can see this file, AnyPoint Studio. Go inside that, there is a application file. If you go to the file type, there is application file. Just right click here and start installation. For that you have to go, right click and run as an administrator. If you click that, it will open like that. Let's wait, because it takes time to installation and it is some time taking. So let's wait this to be open. Once you right click on here and run administrator, it will ask for you a workspace path, where basically it will ask for a workspace path where you want to basically store the code. These all things where you want to store. It will ask for a path. Let me give the path. I want to keep the code thing inside. Let me keep one step back and let me write. Let me go inside this only, and let me here make a new folder as a code. Okay, and let me go inside this and let me keep this file as a workspace path. Okay, and let me use this as a default, don't ask again, and just click on launch. Okay, you can see under this meta has been created, and it will take some time because it is ये थोड़ा सा अंदर ऑटोमेटिक ये कुछ प्रोसेस करता है, तो सो इट विल टेक टाइम. नाउ इट विल ओपन लाइक दिस. ओके ओके, it is, everything is done. Now let me show you what are these all things are. Okay, it will ask for you something. Okay, okay, let's close this. Now these are the area, this area where we are going to create your project, and we are going to create your application. These all things we are going to create. This is the area where we are going to create our design of the application. Okay, this is the area where we are going to choose the template will be there, where from where we are going to take the connector, and this is the area where we are going to see the properties and the console, what is the running in the console, everything we are going to see. So these four area divided. First area is for the application deployment and the running server is running, and these all thing are this area. This area for the designing. This area is for choosing the connector. And this area where we are going to set the properties of connector and the console thing, all thing are we are going to get. Okay, this is all about the installation. What you have to do one step, because this is, if you go to search here Anypoint Studio, you will not get anything. You can see if I write in the Anypoint Studio, you will not get anything. Okay, but so what you have to do, what to get the thing, because every time you have to go to this folder, just right click here and just go to the send to desktop. So what will done, what will it will lead, it will basically for you, it will create a shortcut in the desktop. From next time just you have to double click this and it will open the same thing for you, because this is Anypoint Studio is not like type of installation. It is something you are just installing the file in your local and just extracting the file, and just this is a executable file. Just you are running this file and it is opening the tool. It is not type of installation. If you go to the your installation, you can see it is not going to install. It is not type of installation. It is just a like type where we are going to creating the executable file and we are running and we are going to open this. Okay, so this is all about the Anypoint Studio. So hope you have got the point how we can get this over the mail and how basically we are going to download the link, and these all things we are going to have seen. Okay, again if you have any doubt anything, you can send me a mail, you can contact me. Thank you all.